Hello, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about a few things that you can do to boost your online presence and get some more business coming to you. And those few things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason that I shoot this video is because this is my way of giving back to business owners and showing them some things they can actually do themselves to grow their business through their website. And sometimes they reach back to me and we work something out and I help them. And sometimes they take this attack plan and run with it themselves. Either way works for me. So if you like what you see at the end of the video and you want to speak further, I'd be more than happy to get on a call with you. So I have your website pulled up here. And first thing I did notice is that you're not secure. So that would be something you would want to take care of. And then the next thing is that your front page is obviously more of an introduction there. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage, and the homepage being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google. And you want Google to stay on your site longer, crawl your other pages and the content on your other pages, because what it's looking for are the keywords that somebody's going to use in the search engine to find you. Like Milwaukee car repair would be an example of a keyword that somebody's going to use to find car repair in Milwaukee. Like buyer intent keyword is what we call that. So you can see that they got that put in there. And sometimes you'll see ads running at the top here. And then the next section is this map section here. And then down here is the organic section. So the first page of the organic section for any search is where you're going to get the most traffic, especially these top spots. These top spots generate the most traffic for any given search, for any given service in any given area. So you really want to climb your website up to these top spots here to get more traffic coming to you. And you can do that by using these tricks, like the content, the keywords is one of them. So you can see I have here would be a directory that's Yelp, and then AAA.com, that would be AAA's suggestions and their website. And then the next here is Brett's Auto Repair would be considered your top competitor for this search. So I brought up their homepage, and you can see kind of how they got their page built out, their front page there. Oh, that's not their front page. So here's their homepage. So here they got their phone number at the top, their logo. Here's their menu laid across there. Contact us. Got a little slideshow behind there. There's a notice. Services link. So auto repair shop in Milwaukee. That would be a keyword that they're ranking for. And some content, and then there's all their service areas. That's their service area. And contact us. There's a video. So it doesn't look like they have the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content that Google likes to see on their homepage, so it would be easy to beat them there. Now, I also use this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and what this tool does is it tells me what's going on with the website per Google and how it's performing. So I have Mobile Car Care. I got your website in here, and you can see you're getting a UR rating of 16 and a DR of 3.6. So these are Google's power and trust flow numbers. So you're gonna need to drive this number up with these tricks. So getting this number between a 20 and a 30, maybe even more than a 30, given it's Milwaukee, would be good. And then you can see you're getting 53 backlinks from 17 referring domains. Now, backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest. Other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes. So Google ranks you higher in that organic section combined with the content. But you don't want just any link. They're not all the same. You want relative to your industry type links linking back to you, strong, trusted sites, and you don't want anything irrelevant, broken, or spammy because that actually hurts you. And you can see you're being found for 37 organic keywords, and you do have 90 organic traffic coming to your site every month. So I wanted to see which keywords you're being found for so you can kind of pluck them off and you can see here their mobile car care. You're in the second position for that in the search, but your search volume for that is 250 every month. And then let's see, mobile car repair, 3,000 search volume. You're in the 19th position there. Let's see. Okay, so Milwaukee Car Service, that might be one that you want. Car Service Milwaukee, that combined is a 600 search volume every month. Mobile car repairers, auto service Milwaukee's got a 20. So you would want to build those keywords into your content. So let's see, Brett's Auto Shop, they have a UR of 25 and a DR of zero point 0.9. And you can see that they have 206 backlinks from 45 referring domains. You can use the same links that they're using as long as they're good, because if they're powerful enough to rank them, they're going to be powerful enough to rank you. And you can see they're generating 544 organic traffic to their website every month, through their website a month. So that having them top spot is helping them out. So there you got a keyword list here. So there's Milwaukee Auto Repair, 450 search volume a month. Mechanic Milwaukee, 350 search volume. And you can notice the positions that they're in. Auto Repair Milwaukee, 450. All those good keywords that you want to be in your content on your site to be involved in all that monthly search volume is what you're going to want to do. So that, along with the linking, is what pushes your website up higher in this organic search, in the organic section for this search. And then you can come back to your Google Business Profile, get your this map section here, get your Google Business Profile built out if you don't already have one, and then use the name, address, and phone number from that profile and go get it listed in directories like Yelp, at Angie's List, Yellow Pages. Get as many as you can, listings as you can. Those are called citations. Social media works good for this too. Get as many citations as you can. Google finds them all, points back to you, and then pushes your profile up higher in the map section. So then for this search, you would be found all over that first page after getting the citations and then using the linking and then building the keywords into your content on your site. So like I said, you can take this attack plan and run with it yourself, which I'm totally cool with, or if you would like to reach out to me and speak with me further on it, I would be more than happy to get on a call with you. You can reach me here. This is my website. You can call me 262-947-4860 or Messenger. Any way you want to get a hold of me, that's fine. Again, my name's Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a nice day.